Good morning. I just got out of church. I just went to Sunday Mass. I didn't have to work today. Well, didn't have to caddy today, but I have 3 haircuts I'm getting later. So that will be my work for today. And then on my way here, I saw a garage sale. So I'm gonna go to a garage sale. But then I realized I have no money. And then I was like, well, maybe they'll take Venmo. And then I was like, well, I found some change in here, so hopefully things are not expensive, or there's actually good stuff, because who knows. And then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop, do some homework, and then later on is when I have my haircuts. So I'm gonna do some homework for that. And my parents are going to the planetarium today or something like that, and so they'll be gone. But yeah, I'm gonna do some homework at this coffee shop I've never tried. I forgot what it's called, so I'll give a review on it. I have not heard good reviews, so that's not good. But I will try it and give my own opinion and review. Usually we go to the same I go to the same coffee shop, but I want to change it up. It's pretty new, and I've never been. So garage sale, then coffee shop. So this is my Sunday morning, no work. So I just got out of the garage sale. Major done. Actually, there was like one thing that was like kind of cute that my sister might have liked for her house. It was like jars that you put stuff in, and they're all copper. And I think she's doing copper, but they were like kind of rusted and looked like old copper. So I was like, not that cute. But there was like 4 of them, and they were like $4. But anyways, from like passing by, I was like, oh, that looks so cute. And then I got it, and I was like, ooh. And like it looked like it had good stuff, and then I got there, and I was just like, yeah, no, not cute stuff. Sometimes garage sales can be so awkward, and that was an awkward one, because there was like the mom and dad and like the 2 daughters. They're all on the porch just like chit-chatting, have their coffee, and I'm just like awkwardly looking through their crap. I don't know, sometimes they can be weird. That was a weird one. So now I am on my way to I should get some gas. Coffee shop. So we will see how this goes. So this is the coffee shop. It's called Sugar House. It looks cute from the outside. You gotta be the judge when you go in, honestly. It's kind of cute inside. It makes it like ice cream too. And it makes it cuter. But honestly, how the drinks taste, make it or break it. Okay, I'm just leaving the coffee shop now. I got a smoothie and I did some homework, and let me rate the smoothie. So let me get in my car first. Hang on. Okay, so now that I am in my car, I will review the smoothie. So when I first tried it, I was like, ooh, this is good. But then like when I kept like drinking it, well, first of all, it was good, but it was very sweet. It was not fresh fruit, and it was just like, tasted just like the frozen like sugary fruit stuff, and then in like water. So it was not like a good smoothie. I mean, I wasn't looking for a protein smoothie, but you know, like a smoothie. But it was good for like, I guess like a treat. But smoothies do say a lot about a place. Anyway, so it wasn't like par, but I want to go back. I liked it. I did some homework. It was good. It was cute. Good environment. So I want to go back and try like their teas, like in their lattes and stuff like that. They had like a chai latte I want to try. So that's what will really decide, I feel like. I mean, the smoothie wasn't the best. So, but I'll see. Anyways, now I'm going home, and my cousins are coming over, and we're gonna have a brunch. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet. Probably some eggs, probably whip up some bacon. What else do we have? Some so I'm gonna go home and make some brunch for my cousins, and then my boyfriend, my brother's girlfriend asked me to go on her boat today, and I really want to go, but I already invited them over, and then I have haircuts planned for later for work, so I don't really want to change those, but I really want to go on a boat. I love boating. It's my favorite. I was meant to own a boat, so I'll probably have a boat sometime in my life. Just saying. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I just made the breakfast right there. Exactly what I said. Skillet. But we didn't have any peppers, so that kind of stinks. But got Maria, Trey, Teresa, Carrie. How's it going? So we're about to have some breakfast. Actually, okay, it's still not even 12, so it's still breakfast time. After breakfast, apparently we're doing haircuts. This is a little haircut section I have. Trey just got hers. Trey, let's see. Just a little trim. So cute. Now it's Carrie's turn. Tass, you should give me a trim. No, I'm just kidding. I won't make you do that.
Give you a trim.
It's gonna be like the tiniest little thing. My ends are so
just
bad.
Keep it down and cut and you're done.
Yeah, literally. Do you see? Ooh, look at those. Those are bad.
Oh yeah.
I probably should actually get one soon, maybe. Okay, so time went by. We hung out. We did our toes, painted them, and then I did 2 haircuts. And now I'm going to be making snack for tomorrow. Gotta get ready for school again. Which first week went good. But I'm making protein balls and
homework the first week.
Actually, no, there was a lot of homework. I had 2 essays I had to write. I only did 1, so. Sunday. Still got time. Anyways, I'm gonna make some protein balls, and I was like, I'm gonna vlog it because, honestly, why not?
Yeah, why don't you vlog your salad or pizza?
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, so I was really feeling pizza, and so I was like, I'm gonna make a pizza, but then I was like, well, I gotta be healthy, so I made a salad first, and then I had pizza. It's all about balance.
Fit lover would
Also, so I'm putting some peanut butter in here. I got all my ingredients ready.
Jeez, how much peanut butter?
I'm making a lot. Grams and Pops said they wanted some. Some honey. Some chia seeds. I guesstimate the entire recipe. I never measure anything, honestly. Some flax seeds. But if you actually want the recipe, I'll make one up for you.
Bonnie and Olsen.
Yeah, I know. So then I just mix it all around. Mixy mix, you know. That's what it looks like so far. Also, I have tried this with many different protein powders, and this is actually my favorite. This is, oh my gosh, it's almost gone. This is the energizing soy protein. It's different from like the other Shackley ones that I use. This has the best flavor. There's not that much, so I'm just dumping it all in.
You didn't have enough?
I don't even know. I'll probably have to add a different kind of protein in here because that's actually not enough. So I'll just add in regular protein because they're called protein balls and they're supposed to keep you, what are they called? Anyways, supposed to keep you full throughout the day. So I eat these at school. And my grandma is begging me to make them.
Oh my gosh, you sound...
So.
She's not begging.
Yeah. So anyway, so now it's all like protein powdery. And then I add in some water to make it match. Just stirring it up. You know, I'm like a cook. Actually, yeah. Whoa, Hannah's over there trying to pick her first dance song with her fiance Dan. So
it's hard for us.
If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. She would love to know.
We already have our top 5.
So that's what it looks like now. Now that it's all
mixed together. Let me taste test. That's delicious, but I'm adding some more honey because the other protein powder isn't as sweet. So the second one that I used, add some more honey, and then the most important part, oats. Throwing some oats in there. Actually, I think I'm gonna add some more water. Still looking a little thick with 2 C's, just like me. I'm just kidding. Anna, you didn't even laugh at my joke.
I was watching an Office video. What'd you say?
I said I'm adding more water because it's thick with 2 C's, just like me.
That's not even funny. Why would anyone?
That's
do
funny.
That? That's so not funny.
It is funny. Anyways, this literally takes like 2 minutes to make.
How many minutes has it been? Like 4.
What up?
Like
What's up, everybody? John Chris here with some beer. Yeah, John, we know it's you. You don't have to introduce yourself in your own video.
Okay, turn that down, dude. I'm trying to vlog.
Guys, it's not important.
Everyone loves John Chris.
Alright. Yep. So delicious. Taste test here. Try it.
Okay, bring me some.
Good catch. I threw it to her.
Why'd you just chucked it at me? She chucked it
And
at
it landed like that on her cup.
How on earth did you even expect me to catch that? You literally chucked it.
Okay. So now we put it in the fridge. Oh yeah, well, most important part, to make it
You need it.
a ball shape.
It needs to be a little thicker.
I'll probably add some more oats, but then you just shape it into a ball and put it on a plate. And then bam, done. So here's the finishing. Look at those deliciousness. Now I'm gonna put them in snack bags to get ready for lunch. And these are going in my fridge over here by my bar because I don't want my siblings to steal them. So they're going in the fridge where no one will find them. Unless someone's taking alcohol, which that can happen, but oh well. I forgot. They need to be refrigerated, so stick them in the fridge.